Let's see how they react to this box here. So far, they're still trying to buy it up. Same thing as the previous few days.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, let's see if they can hold this up. If they can hold this up here, then we can probably buy dips above 160, but I'm not fully convinced just yet. I'm gonna be flat here. Got to squeeze a little bit here. Buy dip, sell rips today, guys. Buy dip, sell rips. Buy dip, sell rips. Made 5K net pop. Great job. Cover. Cover.
Order filled.
Holding one last. Cover one more. Because they may chop around here. Cover one more. Nice. I'm gonna go really small in case they pump through and squeeze me. Nice. Cover. Nice. So guys, if I don't get an email from you guys or a DM from you guys saying that, you know, giving me your My Funded Futures email, then I'm gonna take it as if nothing happened, okay? For those of you who got the free reset on My Funded Futures, can you advise how you got it? Did you have to apply the credit or something? Because I think sometimes the same thing with Take Profit. People win the account and they don't know how to apply the free credit and they assume, or the activation fee, right? Some people pass the account and they're like, yo, FSP, I use your code, bro. It's no activation fee, but now I have to pay for it. You don't have to pay for it because there's a section at the bottom. Oh, I passed this account. I keep talking. I passed this. I gotta close it.
Order filled.
Nice. I don't know why it's not showing the names. Michael Sislow. Nice green here. A little more. Capitalize on that huge drop. Nice. Great job, Kat. 1,000, 900. Some of this pop. 400 bucks and it's funded. Am I more bullish or bearish? You mean on a day? Right now, they're side chopping, so it's hard to say. If they break this pennant to the upside, then it's bullish. But if they break this pennant to the downside, then it's bearish. So I know it sounds kind of like, well, you didn't say anything, but it's true. Right now, they're just chopping around this pennant here. So,
order filled.
Locked one here. Another trade day on this funded. Bonox. What a dip and push, man. What a dip and push. Come on, man. Get me the payout. Give me the payout. One more push. One more push.
Order submitted.
Yeah, monster move up and down. That's why today you buy dip, sell rips, right? And then, you know, obviously rotate, manage risk in that way.
Order filled.
Noise.
Order
Gotta pay out on this one. Noise. Because it just so happens that your setup worked today, right? But your setups don't work all the time. So that's kind of like, I'm just not trying to be hard on you, but I'm just saying, like, if you want to respect your rule, let's say your rule is now copy trading, and you copy traded because you felt you had the setup. Over the long run, you're gonna get hurt. Because let's say your setup has a 60% win rate, 70% win rate, which I doubt. Any setup has 70% win rate. On the times when it doesn't work, you're gonna blow all those accounts. So facts, right? You lost 4 funded copy trading before. So I mean, think about it. It's your own rule. I don't know exactly what your parameters are. I don't know what your rules are, but it's best if you stick to your own rules, especially if you analyze your own data. Took profit on this one contract, 400 bucks on this funded account. Nice. You see, if you go to the payout section, AJ here got paid with 500 bucks with Apex. We got Bull here. Thank you, FSP. Daily payout from Apex from rotating accounts, $50 a day target. Nice. Very nice. Slow and steady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's $5 grand. Great job, Bull. Here, another weekly streak payouts. They couldn't get through this box, so all day they've been rejecting this box. I was thinking the third time they punch it through, but right now they're looking a little bit weak. A little bit weak. Next Tuesday, FOMC minutes. Let's see here. May 23rd, May 26th, May 27th. Yeah, FOMC minutes is not the same as FOMC. So like minutes, it's like we already knew on the 28th what they're going to say anyway. They're going to pay attention to the labor market, keep an eye on inflation, recession, that kind of deal. The same spiel that he's always saying. So
order
couldn't get it out. If I could get this account out, I'll rotate into another PA. because I was trying to get out on this pop here on ask, and it didn't fill me. If I can get out on this account and just get like $100 or $200, then I can, because I bought the dip on this other PA, and I can just hold that PA. But I couldn't get out on this pop here. So let's see if I can get out on this pop here.
Order canceled.
There you go.
Order canceled.
All right, so I got $200 on this PA. Nice, Tim got all those notes already. I don't know how to add to the auto message. If you guys know how to do the auto message on the live stream, let me know. I have no idea. The bonus sale is until the end of the month. 91% off, which is in about a week, and it's gonna expire. So if you want $15 option 1 accounts, then you're gonna have to get it before it expires. So come on, man, pump it. Pump it.
Order canceled.
All right, I got $1,000 on this eval. I'm good. These are funded accounts. They're bonus. This one's at payout threshold. This one's close to payout threshold. These ones I gotta keep working. So far, I haven't traded personal accounts just yet. Because can you imagine yesterday if you traded your funded account when it dropped 400 points and you keep on adding and you wouldn't give it up, you blow the entire account. That's why when the volatility is less, it's okay, you know, to trade personal accounts. But if you don't know how to manage emotions, if you don't know how to manage trades, and yesterday it went down 400 points and you keep on dipping, man, I'm gonna sell this pop here. Wow. One contract, $455. Nice. Another funded. You want a steak now? Right? You're like chowing down that steak, chowing down the salmon. And then after a few bites, you realize, wait, it doesn't taste as good as my first bite anymore. Same thing with the bubble tea, you know? Sometimes I crave that, you know, cha time bubble tea. Man, I want to get that hit, man. I want to get a hit. The moment, the first sip, and that grass jelly milk tea, right? Man, so good, man. You sip that thing in. Oh, that's nice, bro. You're like, that's the stuff, you know?
Order canceled.
This selling is push, 1,300 in a funded account. I'm good, man. I'm going to be content. Inside my course in module 4, I give you my trading strategies, and module 4.3 inversion squeeze long is what we do here. And you'll see why I took the long there. If you're really like, well, it was going down, why did you take it while it was going down? It's because it's called the inversion long. Okay, inversion long is I give you an example of how to trade it. You saw it in real time. And also, what is the inversion squeeze long? I talk about it. So if you want to check it out, you can go to my course at fspfutures.com. Okay, guys, if you enjoy the community, if you like trading together, please go ahead and like the stream.